We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about tape tool in SketchUp. In SketchUp, using tape measure tool, you can measure a distance and set the precise guidelines or gate points. Guidelines are temporary dashed lines used as gates to draw precisely. You can access tape tool under construction toolbar. If construction toolbar is not showing in your window, please turn on this option in toolbar menu under view tab. Click on tape tool. Then select point or edge to measure from. To generate guideline, select the edge of an object. Thanks for watching this video.